Meaning of fighting.
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 Fighting. Fighting can have multiple meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to engaging in physical or verbal combat with another entity with the intention of asserting dominance or achieving a particular goal. The outcome of fighting can vary greatly, but often involves physical harm, emotional distress, and damage to relationships. In some cases, fighting can result in positive outcomes, such as solving conflicts or achieving personal growth, but this is not always the case. Overall, fighting should be avoided when possible, as it can have negative consequences for all involved parties.